here at the 7-mile marker for another episode of Hikes and Walks. Appreciate you joining me again. Sorry about the stabilization there. Okay, here we go. Appreciate you again coming with me. This is a really pretty section of these small little trees and stuff. This is really a nice day. Windy though. The wind is drying my throat out because I'm talking. So, if you hear me clear my throat, I do apologize. Hear a biker, mountain biker coming back in the distance here. Just tell you how thin. Right now, the lake is basically turned a little river. It is not very far at all to the other side. You could probably swim 50 yards and get to the other side, but this is a very narrow point of the lake. As the further you get up north, the more narrow it becomes, and it becomes into the little creek river. All right, here is something that's really cool that couldn't wait to get here. I don't know what this used to be, but it looks like a little metal dumping, like a little, I don't know, metal building or something, like a barn, or it looks like tin and stuff. So I thought it's an old barn or something. You know, there's trash cans, and up there is like the metal piling. And maybe, I guess they demolished the barn or whatever it was, just kind of piled it up. And right up here, it's kind of cool right here. This right here is kind of, gives you a little creepy horror movie vibe right here. Little metal spoke wheel. Looks like a little tricycle, old tricycle. And yep, old tricycle, and there's the other part of it right up there. So we can get a little bit closer. Up there. If anybody knows what this was, a barn or whatever, please, if you happen to find my video, please leave in the comments of what it was. It's kind of neat how they got this stuff hanging in the tree, but it seriously does have like a Texas Chainsaw Massacre vibe here. And as you can tell, it's really rocky right here. And some more metal tricycles down in there. Yeah, I was waiting to get there to show you that. Just thought it was a cool feature. Here's a little real rocky area. So it's not the most smooth video, bear with me. The stabilization, it's just rocks everywhere. And you see the creek up in there. Really pretty. Really pretty. There's the bridge, and as you can follow the creek, the creek down runs into the lake there. This is pretty through here. I'll turn and let you get a better view of it. Right here, it's two little tributaries coming in over here to the right and over here to the left. And they meet. And they come under the bridge. Step back a little bit. Okay, thank you. Let's get back on the trail. And You know, really pretty shots here over on the left of the sun reflecting off the water. Oh, I love shots like that. I just hope it doesn't overexpose the HDR I got going on with the shooting of the frames. Oh yeah. Just forgot how pretty this is through here. I know I say that every video, but again, this trail it's got a special place in my heart, you know. It's my home trail. I don't live here. I have property here, but I don't live here anymore, but it's always been my home trail. And thank you for letting me share this with you. I really appreciate and very passionate about my project of filming all 21.8 miles of the Duck River hiking trail. And thank you for watching our rocks along the right hand side here. You can see the sun glinting off the water, sun rays. You can see on to the left hand, there's a little ledge here. I'm trying to fall off there. But my plan for today is just to film as many miles as I can. If I can get to the 10-mile point, it'd be great. That's the goal, but I got my sister with me, so I can just run my phone till the battery dies. She can call her pickup, which will be my dad. He saw him in video mile 2 in his introduction. He's our Uber to pick up spots, drop off spots. He's our Uber. He's supported me in everything I've ever done, and even this crazy YouTube experiment, he supports me. I just hope everybody watching, you know, hope you have a dad like that, or maybe just whatever, or a parental figure like that, a mom or guardian, whatever. You know, hope you just had somebody in your life to support you, no matter what you do. But I don't know, I kind of get a lot of people in my personal life that I've told about my channel or I found out about my channel. They've been very supportive. My friend Matt, shout out to you, Matt. He's watched every video, giving me feedback. You know, he's been a great friend ever since kindergarten, and I appreciate you, Matt. And you know, you're friends for life, man. Been through with me. We've been friends for a long time, and I appreciate your friendship. But no, just a lot of people just, you know, that have told about it and stumbled on it. Why did I start taking a camera, iPhone, and recording me walking through the woods on trail? You know, for a lot of people, I get it. You know, you may laugh and say it's boring or whatever, but for me, walking's always been therapeutic. You know, you had a bad day at work, had a fight, got into an argument with someone, you know, whatever it may be, just stress, doubt, fear, all the things that can weigh you down in life. Well, everything that's kind of helped me get through it has always been a good walk. Night, day, it don't matter. And I've always been passionate about it. Just have a bad day at work, whatever it is, and just come in, hit a trail, or hit a road, hit a park, just wherever you have your favorite walking spot. And after how many miles you do, you just come out and you feel better. All the worries, the doubt, the fears that you had before you started on the walk kind of just leave your mind. And for me, it's a very, you know, economical way of you know, just letting go of the stress, the doubt, the fear. So I encourage you, if you can, even just try around your house, you know, get out, do even if it's just a lap around your house, around your yard for the first time. Try to do it, you know, at least once a day, if it allows. You know, I can't tell you just how many times this journey of walking and hiking has just really calmed my spirit. I am a practicing Catholic, so, you know, just kind of, for me, calming my spirit. And I have to say, I always kind of phrase it talking, you know, share my thoughts out loud, just, you know, share my thoughts with the good Lord, you know. And I guess beside that, and also, that's one reason why I started this channel. You know, who knows, you know, you might be living in a city, you know, city apartment block where it's not really feasible to get out and walk, you know. There's not a lot of places, you know, there's not a trail like this by your house. So join me, and hopefully these videos can be some sort of like comfort, or kind of let you just kind of get lost in the scenery a little bit. But another reason why I started the channel is that my parents in their 70s, my mom has Parkinson's, and every time I walk this trail, they'd want me to take photos or little small videos and then watch it. Well, I'd do that. Started about 2 years ago. I'd record about a mile, or just heard on my battery last, and come back off the trail, and my parents watched a recorded video. And that really got the wheels turning. Why don't I just record it and put it on YouTube for the world to see, so I could share this trail with the world. And also my parents can view it anytime. You know, they can just pop on the internet anytime I'm not around and see the trail. That's just another reason why. And Another reason why I started the channel, just to kind of share memories, kind of record memories and locations of places that have nostalgic memories of, and stories. I'm gonna share stories that for 99.99% of the world you're gonna have no idea who these people are, or really even care about what happened, but us, just want to record them so I can 10 years from now pop on there and see and hear these memories again that I may have forgotten. So mainly I just talk about the trail features and stuff, but no telling what. I don't know if you can see, but out there in the distance, right there, around there, somewhere around in there, is 2 geese swimming in the river. But yeah, just another way to record memories and document places. Things change, places change. Sometimes you lose places, and as long as YouTube allow me to keep my videos up, they'll always be there. So not only will see trails, hiking trails, and roads that I'll walk on. I'll also walk on back roads, hopefully in city landscapes, parks. But I also do documentaries about city, towns, and cities, places in those areas, all tied together by short walking distances. So thank you. There's a little blue jay flew up in the tree up there. Whoa. I almost bit it right there. Stepped on a loose rock and it rolled. My foot slid off of it. Be careful, I almost bit it right there. Just telling my sister know that. Be careful. Okay, here's a really cool feature. I'm gonna put my tripod down and just film it for a second. All right. Thank you for letting me. I got a drink of water and stuff, but I just really love this open field right here. Through here, you can see a little trailer, a house, it's a work building and a barn. I don't know, just a neat little feature that you not expect. It's just woods and lake and rocks, and they come out here in this nice little open field. If you ever been to Shiloh National Park, Civil War Battlefield Park, which I will be doing that as well. You just kind of walk through the woods, open up to a big open area, like where there's a major battle in the Civil War, where thousands of people perished. Just a lot of history there. But there's not that kind of history here, I don't think, but still, the woods kind of opens up into the nice little field there. Just really think it's kind of a cool feature. Appreciate you letting me stop and get water and show you that little entrance to the field. But I'll tell you, my plans are pretty big for the channel, I want to, the main priority is to get the Duck River Trail finished, which it's about 22 or 23 videos I'll be doing for this area. But after that, I got some, no plans. Some roads that are really close to my heart that are close by this trail. Early like sunrise walks on roads, early morning sunrise walks, stuff like that. But definitely gonna plan on some bigger things, and definitely want to capture just as many trails as I can, and streets and roads, and just document as much as I can. And I'm in pretty good shape, but I could always get in better shape. So, form of exercise, and sharing with the world, documenting things. Really appreciate it. All right, we're about to be finished with mile 8 right here. Getting close. Okay, it's on the left-hand side. One of the rare times it's been on the left-hand side. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time.